So now I'm going to show you how to embroider the detailing along the tail of the dragonfly. And you can use any contrasting color for this or a darker shade of whatever color you're using, just something that will stand out well against the body. So we're going to start at the back of the body, and the pattern will tell you exactly which round you're going to be starting on. And we're going to pull our embroidery floss through. And basically you're just going to be making a stitch on top of each stitch, on the tail, in between rounds. And I'm just going to keep going around and around and around. Alright, so we're at the back of the dragonfly again, and we're going to make one last stitch, and we're just going to weave it up, the needle up into the body so that it stays secure. And we're going to take the starting tail, and weave that up into the body too. So there you have it.